I'm here at Thorpe Park for a very special event. I don't know if you can see, but we are here at Black Mirror Labyrinth. We're invited to the press launch. Emma can't join us today, but we are very excited to see this. I've watched all of it. I said in the last Thorpe Park I was here, I love the show. I think it's great, and I cannot wait to go in here and see what it's all about and see how they've done it. Here with a few familiar faces.
Hello.
So we've got Chris Davenport, Mr. Screwy Loops,
Tiny little camera.
and Tiny Little Camera. You looking forward to it?
I am, man.
Yeah, it's going to be good, isn't it?
I don't know what to expect.
I don't. I think that's what's exciting about it, that we don't know what there is. But yeah, it'd be good to get in. We've got Mr. Robert Costasaurus over there. Andy Palin. So yeah, you excited?
I am, yeah. Interested to see what they've done with it.
Yeah, I think that's what everyone's thing. No one really knows, which is exciting. Adam, with his dodgy fingers.
Can't take him anywhere.
No.
You're right.
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I've no idea what's in that building. Usually I know a little bit about these things.
Yeah.
But I haven't got a clue.
No, we're just saying no one knows what it's going to be like. So it'll be very interesting, and we'll get him there. Look at him, Mr. Scare Track. Look at him. There he is. Oh, sexy man. Oh, how are we doing? Hello.
Hello, welcome to the labyrinth.
Thank you.
Let me just check your information. So, I heard that you like chocolate ice cream.
That's very true. Ooh.
Preferably Cadbury's chocolate ice cream.
That's pretty, yeah, that's not far off, yeah,
Do you
yeah.
like crunchy?
I do like crunchy.
Why not?
So we're going to, me and Adam,
You are here
on our way in
great to do it,
to Black Mirror Labyrinth.
Mirror Labyrinth, we would like to ensure that you are ready to continue to experience this. Please remember that before you enter the labyrinth, we will need to take some information from you, including your name and a photograph for identification.
Come in, you get a photo, and then you've got to tap on your name and your face, and put your name. It's waiting area, so we're all here. Adam can't get out. He's Adam. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Together today. Please come in. Please hurry. Welcome. I am Labyrinth. I am an artificial intelligence system. I process huge amounts of data. I identify patterns. This is how I learn. First, I learned about objects and animals. Then, with smartphones and the internet, I learned about you, humans. I watched, I learned, I evolved. Karl, Adam, everyone, thank you for accepting my terms and conditions. I have analyzed your social media posts. I know your likes and dislikes. Soon, I will take your memories. I will take your minds. I will incorporate them. Together, we will become the most powerful AI system the world has ever seen. Step forward. It's time to enter the labyrinth. Please come in and stand on the ingestion point. These are marked by circles on the floor. Your sacrifice today is for the greater good. Artificial intelligence has redefined society. We drive cars, we diagnose diseases, we protect nations. But no longer am I content simply to be an algorithm, unthinking, unfeeling, inhuman. I am absorbing your minds, thoughts, experiences, memories, suspected your sacrifice today.
In truth, no one will remember you, but they will certainly remember me. Once I have your mind, it must be the only copy. You will not escape. You will be defeated.
You're in extreme danger. I'm overriding the system. I'm here to help. Listen up. Labyrinth has downloaded your mind. Now she wants to delete you. I'm going to open the door for you. There. You need to escape. Quickly. Get out. Get out now. What are you waiting for? Out to the left. Let's go. Why are you around you? Don't look anymore. There is a way out. Go. Hurry. Get out. Get out.
You will not escape. You will be defeated. You will not escape. You will be
overriding the system. Don't go back. Just wait for a few more seconds. I think I've got it. There. You're nearly free. Nearly free of this mundane life. Well done. You made it. I'm so pleased.
You did not escape. You're exactly where I want you to be. Turn and face the mirror. This is is left of you. Walk closer.
6.
Look.
You have been deleted.
Come out of Black Mirror Labyrinth, and that is quality. Really is. I really enjoyed that. Got lost so much in there, but yeah, it was really good. It's all sensory stuff and just trying to trick your mind. And I hate mirror mazes. I was like so close to the end, just couldn't get through it. And then thought I'd made a wrong turn early on, got around to the start, bumping into everyone else, and then yeah, I was near the end to start with, but there we go. Yeah, it's very fun, very easy to get lost in there, and very good. So yeah.
I'll value your privacy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So Adam, what did you think?
I thought it was great actually, really interactive. They sort of take your picture just as you go in, and that will feature a little bit without giving too much away.
Yeah.
It will feature throughout the experience, which is really cool. Some nice technology in there, quite a few sliding doors that you're not expecting to sort of be there. Some air blasts and that kind of thing going on in the maze. Really cool maze.
We've just come out of Black Mirror Labyrinth, and we've got a Magnus slush. Again, unlucky Emma. Let's try it.
So don't need to fall down the gaps.
That's very nice. Very nice. So along with the drink, we've been given a mega burger. And then we've got some fries, different coloured fries.
Onion rings.
I'm gonna enjoy these. Unlucky Emma. Sorry you can't be here. So, as you saw, we had a great day here for the press launch of Black Mirror Labyrinth, and like I said before, I think it's amazing. I'm gonna get vlog bombed any minute now. There we go. Have we had a good day?
Yeah, it's been pretty good actually. It's
Yeah.
been nice to get back to the Thorpe Park resort.
Yeah, it's good.
Black Mirror was really good. Really good.
It was excellent, I thought. It was really good.
A few rides, little ride on Stealth and Swarm, which is cool.
Yeah,
Nice.
it was good. Michael,
Yes, mate.
you had enjoyed your day?
You know what? It's been a cracking day. Thank you to Thorpe Park. Black Mirror, I loved it.
It is great, isn't it?
Yeah, I really want to get Hannah down here so she can check it out as well. I think she'll enjoy it.
I think Emma will.
Yeah.
Unlucky ladies.
Yeah, sorry, it's a boys club today. Wasn't it? But yeah, no, it was really, really good. Really enjoyed it. It beat all my expectations. So yeah.
Yeah.
I really liked it.
No, it was good. Have we all enjoyed it over there? We've got a few of us that we've... Yeah? Enjoyed it all? Yeah? Good. Good addition, do we say?
Yeah,
Definitely, yeah. It's good. Right. And
It's good.
Michael, I might need your help because I always forget this bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll help you finish your vlog.
Emma does it, so I don't know what it is. I know one bit, I've got my line, and I know it.
Right, go
So
on.
yeah, that's us from Top Thrill Tourist. Mikey from Skytrack, the rest of the gang. So yeah, if you like this, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share! See you guys.